we kindly mute yourselves para smooth yung ating class. Okay? And if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Use the button there, react button for raising hand, and I will call you out so we can discuss your concerns. Okay? And also, kapag dalawa ang gadget na gamit nyo, please mute the other one. Right? Thank you. Okay. So, let's start para hindi tayo makasayang ng oras. Okay, thank you so much for your time and thank you for your interest in coming in. Miss Annalisa or Mr. Amir and Miss Rochelle, kindly do the admitting of Jedaline also, admitting of the people who are coming in para makafocus lang ako, right? Thank you so much. Okay, so your class schedule is 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sunday, wait time, right? Kasi we have students from UAE. Okay, so and other country, I think sa Saudi rin meron. Okay, so please take note, this course is 4 months duration. And it's very important that when you really want to go into this career, you have to be very dedicated. Okay? Dapat dedikado, sigurado, at interesado. Okay? Hindi yung, okay, mag-enroll lang ako kasi pinilit ako ni friend or try ko lang. Okay? So don't waste your time and your money. Okay? And your effort. Kasi dito you'll be also certified and we cannot certify you if you are not going to pass all the requirements that we put into the curriculum. Okay, so this is an official training and it's a formal training. So you'll be given a certification and a report of your performance, as well as you'll be giving yourself for OJT 12.5 hours. Kung binasa ninyo yung ating handbook, I'm hoping that you guys have downloaded it at least and read over. And I'm expecting you to ask questions para ma-clarify if you have any questions about it. Okay. So ito yung aking inayos na ating schedule. Hopefully we can follow the schedule as it is. But of course, changes will be as needed. We will do it. All right. So yung first chapter natin, I'm expecting it to be finished by 28th of December. Tapos yung second chapter natin, which is second quarter of it, I mean, second, 2/3 of it should be by January 25, tapos na tayo. And for February 1 to 22, 2026 na, matatapos na tayo noong last portion. And yung OJT ninyo should start at March 1 onwards for 12.5 hours. We can arrange things for you, so don't worry. Okay? So we'll talk about that later. Let's just do what's in front of us right now. And we'll cross the bridge when we reach there. Okay, so reminders muna tayo guys kasi i-record natin to and we don't want you guys to be in trouble. Yeah? And we want everything to be professional. So let's get reminded with the netiquette. Ano ba ang netiquette? Okay? Netiquette are things that we are supposed to do. Ethical manners like dress properly. Okay? Dapat walang mga less dyan, ha? Mga sleeveless, backless, so frontless, mga ganyan, ha? Walang less dyan, please, because we want to project ourselves to be a VA who's a professional VA. Okay? So please dress properly whenever we're having class. Okay? Kahit naka-sleeper lang kayo, but tapos yung pang-upper nyo naman medyo presentable, okay? And professional yung dating. Because you're going to be judged by the way you look, by the way you talk, okay? And also by the way you walk. So we have to make a good projection. All right? Be present and switch the camera on. Miss Eileen, naka-off ang camera mo. Judy, I want your cameras to be on. Flor, Legend, May, Jumo, Michelle, Arlene. Paki-on lang yung camera so I know that you are there and you are present. Yeah? Okay. Please switch on your camera and log into your attendance. Okay? Kasi yung certificate ninyo hindi yan magpiprint pag incomplete ang attendance ninyo according to the syllabus dahil nakakonect yan siya sa inyong attendance. Okay. And then, in your Zoom app, kindly type your name and enrollment number. So, i-rename ninyo yung sarili niyo, hindi yung iPad, HP, ganyan yung nakikita ko dito, ha? So, please, rename yourselves in your Zoom app. I don't want to see anything like Zoom user, paki-rename ang inyong selves, okay? Rename yourselves as your name and enrollment numbers. For example, ang enrollment number niyo is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you would say Jerwin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganon. Okay? So pag may issues kayo, I can easily track your enrollment number and we can find information that we need as easy and as fast as we can. Okay? Paki-rename lang muna before we proceed. Rename yourselves in your Zoom app. And how to do that?
I can rename.
Yala, try to figure out. Kasi kailangan independent kayo dito and you know how to maneuver on your own. So I will not be giving all, every time, everything para masanay kayo na independent kayo in navigate, especially if you're new to a you are new user for a new app, kailangan ano kayo, adaptable. So try to figure out how you're going to rename yourselves. Okay, we shall proceed after I see the renaming of yourselves, ha? Okay, Jerwin has done it. Good. Judy as well. Pero yung camera mo, Miss Judy, what happened? Why is it off? Please switch your camera on. I wanna see you guys. Miss Fremalin is done.
On na po
Good.
yung camera ko, ma'am.
Ay, bakit di kita nakikita? Baka internet lang. Okay. The rest, Miss Janice, please rename yourself with your enrollment number. And the rest as well, paki-name lang yung inyong selves and please open your camera. We have somebody here who's Lulu. Lulu Hypermarket ba to? Or Lulu na who? Please switch on your camera and rename yourselves if you already have been enrolled. Para alam natin that you are not a robot. Charot. Okay? We have to verify that you are human nowadays. Okay? So we want to make sure that everybody is human being here.
Just call us Aisha Amir Elita.
Take note in this course and career, it's very important to know how to follow instructions. Okay. Right. I expect you guys to actively participate. So don't be shy to tell what you want to say. And please do not annotate. Sige, tanggalin muna natin ang inyong annotation. Bakit kayo nag-annotate? Eh di wow, saglit. Okay, moving on. Okay, do not hesitate to ask questions, please. Para smooth, okay? It's very important to ask questions. Okay, if you did not know or you didn't understand anything, please don't hesitate to ask questions. Okay, right. Also, I expect you guys to respect others' opinions, okay? Kung yun ang palagay niya, edi yun, okay? But we can always say our opinions as long as we respect them, we say it in a proper manner, in such a way that we don't raise our voice and show disrespect, okay? We have to be ultimately very professional, okay? And, of course, we have to have some positive things to say all the time, okay? Kasi it affects your mood. So, ayaw natin ng nega, ha? We don't want nega-nega attitudes, okay? Or words, kasi it affects our psycho, okay? Kailangan positive tayo lagi, okay? If ever I give you feedback, that is for your improvement. I'm giving you for improvement, not to attack you personally. Okay, so attention to details is very, very important. Kagaya nga sabi ko, hindi po kayo, if you spoon feed when it comes to instructions, you have to go and look it for yourselves. Okay? I hope that's clear. Right, so it's very important that you dedicate a study space kapag klase nyo na, no? So it's just once a week and it is an investment for yourselves and in your career. So you have to focus and set a consistent schedule kung kailan kayo gagawa ng assignment, kailan nyo gagawin yung para dito sa ginagawa ninyong career development, okay? And you have to engage actively. Okay, utilize your available resources. Lahat yan ng mga resources ninyo are in the portal. And practice time management kasi ito lahat are the things that you are supposed to know how to do when you are a VA. Okay. Paki-raise naman ang hands if you're still there at kung naririnig niyo ako clearly, just to see if our connection is still okay.
Still okay.
Okay. There's a literal raise hand kay Miss Fremalin. All right, good. All right, very good. Okay. Si Joanna and the rest, Dolly, Leah Jean. Okay.
Raise hand.
How about the rest? Are you able to hear me? Oh, yan. Sige. Nakita ko yung nag-raise ng hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And reacting as well. Okay, good. Right. So, let me introduce myself muna para naman hindi kayo, sino ba to? Ganyan, no? So, all right. So, my name is Maria Rebecca Viray. They call me Miss Aisha here at ICSA. Okay, I finished my Bachelor's of Secondary in Education. I majored in biology way back 2004. Okay. After finishing that, I went through level 7 diploma, UK curriculum, and that's a postgraduate. And I continued with my MBA. I work as the academic affairs manager here, and I'm in charge of the internal verification and assurance of our assignments that we are passing through the UK partner. Okay. Also, I have worked as a customer service agent in one of the exchange companies here in Kuwait. I have been a high school teacher back there in the Philippines. Matagal na, mga 20 years ago na. So, medyo calculate ko na lang yung age. Okay? I'm an entrepreneur as well. I do a little bit of sidelines. Okay? I'm married and a mom of 3. Yeah? Okay. So, too much about myself already. Kayo naman. Okay? So, tell us something about yourself. Okay, so when I say tell us something about yourself, what I want you to do is to follow this instruction. Nababasa niyo ba? Okay?
Yes po.
Yes. So, what you're going to do is to record a short video. Okay, kasi pag mag-a-apply kayo, they will require you as well. So, you're going to record a short video. Okay? Maximum 30 seconds lang. 30 seconds. You have to introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself, background, and why are you interested in this virtual assistant role? And you highlight one skill or strength that makes you a great fit into this job. For example, you are highly organized, you know how to communicate, you're a tech savvy, okay? And you have to speak clearly and confidently. Huwag kayo mahihiya sa inyong video. And ensure that you have a good lighting. Huwag yung napaka-dark. Dapat maganda yung lighting ng inyong background, and everything should be okay. And you're going to send this video to our Slack channel. So, binigay ko rin yung link sa Slack. You remember? I hope you
Yes.
already have saved those links para next time hindi na kayo clueless and you don't need to bother your classmate. Okay?
Yes po.
Right. So,
Yes.
you can take a screenshot of this so hindi nyo makalimutan. No need to do it now. You have to do it later. Okay? Mamaya. Alright? Kasi syempre, kailangan natin mag-save ng time. Okay, so I want you to record a short video again. 30 seconds lang paalala. Okay, pag sinabing 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Wag 3 minutes. Okay, so now it requires a little bit of planning what you're going to say here. At kung hindi kayo sanay mag-introduce ng self ninyo, you'll be having a hard time. So this is a practice already. Okay, so then we will give feedback to each other mamaya sa Slack after we see your videos. Okay ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Thank you, Miss
Noted po.
Casey. Okay, good, Raymond.
Yes,
Right. So
ma'am.
again, I'm giving you this course outline para at least you know how far have we been doing. Tapos na kami dito. You can have a checklist, like a checklist. So this is like a general checklist. I may be adding or removing some accordingly. Okay? Yung mga nag-raise hand, ibaba nyo na yung mga hand. Okay? There's an option to lower the
Lower.
hand para hindi ako nalilito. Bakit nagre-raise ng hand pa ito? Okay? Yeah. Right. Good. Kasi alam ko na okay tayo. We're all on the same page. Okay? Yung mga naka-off ang camera, paki-on naman para makita ko inyong mga magaganda at gwapong mukha. Okay. So, again, the schedule is here. Take note para alam natin, para isa lang yung ano natin, para alam nyo kung saan nyo isisingit ang mga schedules ninyo, mga date ninyo, etc. Okay? At yung mga plans ninyo for going for vacation, maybe, or something like that. Okay? So, these are the tentative dates lang naman to. It's not strictly going to be followed, but we'll adjust accordingly para matapos natin yung ating curriculum on time and properly, no? Para meron tayong sense of achievement pag nakita natin, nakuha natin yung assign. Okay, so let's get down to business. Ano ba ang trabaho ng VA? What does a VA do? Pakibase nga, Mr. Raymond.
Understanding the role, virtual assistants play a crucial role in supporting businesses and entrepreneurs by taking on various tasks and responsibilities remotely.
Okay, so remote ang work ng VA, no? So if you have experience of supporting a business person, a CEO, a supervisor, a manager, or an entrepreneur in the past, face-to-face, that will be a great points for you. Kasi parehas lang naman yung skills, but the only thing that you have to do now is do it remotely, right? Yun lang. So halos parehas lang din naman yung mga roles ninyo. Yung mag-assist kayo, you still have to do planning, you have to still organize, you have to lead your team if you have a team, and also control problems if they arise. So, ganun din naman ang gagawin ninyo. But this is just remotely. Okay? So, if you have experience in this kinds of work na nag-support kayo ng business person or entrepreneur, that would be a great ace. Okay? Magandang point yon and a good experience. Pag wala naman, then it's time to learn these things. Okay? Right? So, ano ba yung common responsibilities ng VA? Okay? You have to give admin support. Okay? Mga admin support ang kailangan dyan. That means, if your client wants you to, for example, arrange a meeting. So they don't want to do it themselves. You have to do the arrangement of meetings. Okay, so therefore, you should have skills on how to arrange a meeting. Okay, paano ba mag-arrange ng meetings? Dapat meron kang agenda, meron kang, after the meeting, there should be minutes of the meeting. And all of these are going to be easy if you know what types of AI that you can use para mas padali yung work natin. So kung ang alam nyo lang is ChatGPT, mahirap, di ba? Although ChatGPT is very good tool, kasi lang ang dami-dami na nating AI that we have to learn. And usually when you see ads on social media, they would usually say, the young generations should always say na parang tayo na mga nasa 40 plus na daw, mga ganyan, hindi na daw marunong mag-AI. So we have to prove them wrong, okay? I think hindi naman tayo, siguro lahat tayo dito mga, medyo may, hindi na mga baby, no? I mean, we're no longer 20s. May 20 pa ba dito? May 20 years old pa ba dito? Raise your hand.
Late 20s.
Okay, very good. Okay, we want to prove you wrong na kami, na mga medyo mas aged na, we also know things. Okay, and we can also compete in this world. All right. Sometimes they would ask you as well to manage their social media accounts. So, paano ba mag-boost ng post? Paano ba tayo maggawa ng ads for our business? So, dapat marunong din kayo gumamit ng mga applications that you can make, these beautiful ads, and that we will cover. We'll be using Canva for that. We'll be having training for that as well. And of course, syempre, very important is customer service. Okay? Kailangan marunong kayong mag-take care ng customer because it's really difficult to take care of customers, lalo na pag difficult ang customer. Okay? So, the good thing is at least the customer is just remotely. So, hindi na kayo masasampal, hindi na kayo matatalsikan ng laway. Okay? Because I have experienced that in real life, face-to-face, tatapon din ng paper on your face, mga ganyan. So that you will not experience anymore because this work would be remote, but still, of course, sometimes obscene words and inappropriate words will still be there. So you have to manage things like that also in customer service. Okay, may tanong ba? Any questions so far on this part? Reminder ha, yung video ninyo later. I wanna know you guys. So, wag niyong kalimutan. Meron kayong assignment na number 1. Okay? Ano yon?
Introduce
13
yourself.
seconds video
Ayan.
about
Video.
yourself.
30 seconds.
Send to Slack channel.
Ilang seconds?
30
30
seconds.
30
seconds.
seconds.
Okay, wag 25 seconds ha. Pag sinabing 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Ngayon, it's your strategy on how are you going to do it. Kailangan meron kayong ways on how to do that. Okay? Kasi diyan nila i-check kung marunong kayo sumunod ng instruction.
Okay.
Anyone who is ready to introduce themselves right now in 30
Yeah.
seconds? All right. So, sige. Wala pa. Alright. So, i-video nyo yung self nyo, mag-practice kayo later, and let's see how confident you are. So, sometimes it's really easy to say, pero parang ang dali lang, mag-introduce lang ng self, no? Pero actually, the people who are going to look at your video, they're not gonna be interested with what you're gonna say. Most of the time, they're interested with how confident you are in introducing yourself. Okay? So, yun yung titignan nila doon. Kasi meron naman kayong portfolio, meron naman kayong isasubmit na CV. So, they already know who you are, basically, your details, but they just want to know how confident you are and how good you are in communication. So, that's the point of that. Okay? Right. So, what are the functions of a VA? So, sabi ko nga, you're gonna work same thing as what you do in a normal situation sa inyong office setup, but you still have to do some management functions. Ano ba yung mga yon? Okay, you're going to plan, you're going to organize, you're going to lead your team if you have, and you have to control problems, no? Mag-problem solving talaga kayo dyan. So definitely there is customer service. And technical proficiency, dapat alam niyong gumamit ng MS Office applications, project management softwares, which I will try my best to give you all what I know and
Please.
what I'm trying to still know. I'm not perfect, okay? Pero kasi the nature of IT nowadays is very, very fast. Kakaaral mo pala nung isa, may isa na naman magpa-pop out, no? So, if ever something comes out new, you have to be very adaptable to a new things para aralin agad. So, basically, pare-pares lang din naman yung features. So, only the way to do it and yung design and the interface would be different. Kakaaral mo pala ng Apple, aralin agad. So, basically, pares lang din naman yung... Okay. Right. So, sabi ko nga, you have to know the management functions like Polka, POLC, okay? Para madali ninyong maalala, okay? So, magpapaquiz din ako sa inyo, guys, ha? So, dapat hindi kayo kampante dyan. Kasi, syempre, how will we know and gauge that you have learned something? We're going to give some test quiz, short quizzes, okay? Because these are means to gauge how much learning has taken place, okay? So, magpa-plan kayo, check up your objectives, all right? So, pag sinabi kasi nating plan, you are not just going to write down your plans, no? What, for example, your client wants you to plan for example, a virtual meeting, okay? Then you have to arrange everything, okay? So check and plan. So do not just imagine. You have to write down the things that you're gonna do so the plan will happen, okay? So ganun yon. Ang planning is also not imagining and thinking about it, but writing down the things, that actions that you have to take para mangyari yung plano. It's like, kayo ng mga friends mo, you plan to go for swimming. Okay, swimming tayo, guys. O, yun ang plano. Right? Then, wala naman kayong actions taken. Wala kayong diniscuss sino magdadala ng pagkain, sino magdadala ng tubig, sino mag-arrange ng transport. Pag walang ganon, if there are no actions to take, hindi mangyayari yung swimming nyo. Hanggang drawing na lang yung swimming. Hanggat sa graduate na lang kayo, walang nangyaring swimming, no? So, ganun sa work na to. You have to plan and write down and be mindful of the actions you have to take para mangyari yung plan. Okay? So, it's something that you have to think higher, not just an employee, but somebody who really wants to make things happen. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating organizing, hahanapin nyo ano yung mga resources that are needed para mangyari yung ating plan. Okay? Ilang human resource ba ang meron? Ilang financial resources ba ang meron? Okay? Ilang physical resources ba ang meron? Those are the things you have to know. Kasama na dyan yung mga pag-login nyo sa sinasabi ng client ninyo, mag-login ka dito, mag-login ka dyan. Okay, where are my details? Dapat ganon, magtatanong. Okay? So, kanina, kita ko kayo sa group chat, yung mga tanong nyo, nakikinita ko na kung sino yung magaling maghanap ng detail. Ha? At nakikinita ko na rin kung sino doon ang hindi pa masyadong independent when it comes to this. So you have to train yourselves to get things on your own kasi hindi lahat yan ibibigay ng client kasi marami na masyado iniisip ang client. You might have a client who is also a doctor, no? Masyado silang busy. So kailangan nilang i-manage yung kanilang mga things beyond their work. So baka meron silang business na isa pa. So they want somebody to take care of that. So dapat alam nyo yung mga details about. Those are the resources. So you can ask questions and find, pag binigay na, huwag mo nang uliting tanungin kasi maiinis yung client mo. Baka hindi ka na i-rehire or otherwise, baka hindi ka na babayaran, you know? So, i-ghost ka na lang and there are some stories I heard like that. Pag hindi nila nagustuhan yung work mo, wala, hindi ka babayaran. Okay? Check out your networks as well, your contacts. Sino ba yung mga contacts ng client mo? Check a look at the, ano ba yung kanyang mga contacts. Pag sinabi niyang bayaran mo yung bill for our internet, paano ko babayaran yung bill sa internet? Ask, ano ba yung ginagamit niya? So baka naman sinabi na niya sa'yo, sa email niya, or sa ano. So try to look for these details kasi attention to details is very important. That's part of your organizing skills. Okay? So kailangan marunong kayo maghanap ng details. Pag hindi nyo mahanap out of everything that you have done already, so, saka kayo magtatanong, okay? And the way you're gonna ask questions should be very respectful at timing, ha? Timing, wag yung sa busy time ng inyong client. Leading, tanungin nyo rin ang inyong sarili. Are there any people that are going to be under me? Yan, tatanungin nyo rin yan sa interview. Are there any people who are gonna be under my supervision? Ganyan, no? So, kasi baka sabihin sa inyo, okay, in this case, you have to tell this person, mga ganyan. You have to take notes of those. Importante yung mga yon. Okay? So, check if there are people who will be under your supervision. Kasama yan sa leading role ninyo as a VA. Okay? Ito na yung pinakamadugong part ng pagiging VA, the controlling part. Ano bang ginagawa sa controlling part? You have to use your neurons to solve some problems. Okay? Kasi mga problema dyan darating, no? And your client has hired you para isolve ninyo yung mga issues na ganyan. Okay? Like, itong si customer na ganito or nag-expire na yung bill ng ganito. Alright? So, these are the things that you are supposed to do when you're a VA to solve problems. Okay? Magsosolve din kayo ng problems and issues. So, it's part of customer service as well. And you are required to also have hard skills and soft skills. Ano ba yung hard and soft na yan? Okay? So these are qualifications that you have to have. Okay? Like, yung mga hard skills natin would be your proficiency in your software. Dapat marunong kayo gumamit ng mga apps. Okay? Basic accounting and invoicing skills. Dapat medyo may alam din kayo ng konti sa accounting. Kasi syempre, pag pina-assign sa inyo ang budgeting, then you should at least know the basics of expense and cost, yeah? And the assets and everything. Okay, dapat medyo may alam din kayo dyan sa MS Excel. Yun ang ibig ko sabihin, ha? Lahat ba kayo marunong MS Excel? Importante yan, ha? So if you don't know, that's not a problem. You can learn it, okay? You can learn it. And also, you should know how to use social media management tools. So kung meron kayong TikTok, siguro naman marunong kayo mag-post. Lahat naman tayo marunong mag-post. Pero marunong ba kayo mag-manage ng advertisement? O halimbawa. So you have to know all those as well. So most of that, we will be giving you as an experience for your OJT if you are willing. Okay? We have lots of employees who are working remotely as well. So you can do your OJT remotely as well. Ano naman yung mga soft skills? Yan. Yung mga kailangan marunong kayo magsalita. Okay? Marunong kayo mag-express ng thoughts niyo in a professional manner. Ano pa? Kailangan marunong kayo mag-manage ng time. So, we will be using softwares as well that will help you manage your task. Okay? So, pag-aaralan naman natin yan. I hope that we can also use as many as we can dito sa time management applications and organizations. Okay? So, I don't know if you guys have experience using a time management app. Meron ba kayong nagamit na before for time management na app or simpleng sulat-sulat pa rin tayo? Or gumagamit na ba kayo ng ibang time management and organization apps? Anyone? Is there anybody here
So
who is...
far, sulat talaga.
Wala pa po.
sulat? Wala pa. Sulat.
Monday.com po.
Monday.com. Very
Monday.com.
good. Okay, very good. Ano pa? Sulat pa lang. O, sige.
Sulat pala.
Sige. We'll try our best to learn things. Okay? And I'll try my best to give and share whatever I can. Okay? So, we can improve ourselves. That's why nga kayo na andito, because I know that you guys want to improve yourselves. So that's a good start already, okay? At syempre, lahat naman siguro tayo marunong mag-problem solving abilities kasi karamihan sa atin, I think most of us, all of us are OFW, so marunong na tayo niyan, okay? But how to incorporate that in the remote world would be the challenge, okay? Yun lang ang challenge dyan. So, tanungin ko nga kayo, if now you are going to apply as VA, ready na ba kayo? If ngayon,
Not yet po.
Not yet.
mag-apply,
Hindi pa po.
not yet. Bakit?
Still
Lack
we
of
need to learn
skills.
We're
more
not,
abilities.
we're not yet full
Okay.
equipment.
Okay. Very good. At least you're
Not yet
acknowledging
fully.
that. That's already a good point. Yes. Okay, so, halimbawa, ito, kita nyo yan? Ito, screenshot lang ng announcement na naghahanap daw sila ng VA. Okay, sabi ko, ipakita ko nga sa ating mga learners at tignan natin if they will be able to comply with the requirements. Oh, the good news is, wala namang age bracket. Diba? Walang age bracket. Very good, di ba? O, ayan, 2 to 3 years experience as executive assistant. So, kung meron na kayo experience yan before, very good. Chief of staff or nag-assist na kayo ng isang CEO, that is a very good experience already, okay? Advanced communication skills, written and spoken. So, you should know how to, express your thoughts. Advanced English. So, proficiency sa Google Workspace, Slack. So far, at least, nakastart na tayo ng Slack. Hindi na kayo zero sa Slack. Hindi na tayo mahihirapan later, I assume. And we'll use some other tools like Asana. Although I don't recommend Asana because I'm not comfortable with that. But if you are, then you can always try it. Okay? Kailangan din strong organizational skills. Yan, multitasking, project management skills. So masyadong demanding, no? Ano masasabi nyo dito sa requirements ng isang VA compared to your current abilities and skills? Anong grade ninyo, Raymond? Pag titignan mo to, halimbawa, pag na-meet mo to lahat is 10. Ano sa palagay mo ang grade mo? Pag in-assess mo yung self mo against these requirements, Raymond?
Nasa beginner pa lang po ako. Beginner
Okay.
level pa lang po ako. Dito po kasi
Pwede mo
sa
ba bigyan?
nasa intermediate level na po siguro yung mga ganyang requirements na hinahanap nila. Kasi may 2 to 3 years experience na po silang nire-required.
Okay. But hindi naman nakalagay dyan 2 to 3 years experience as executive
As
assistant
executive assistant,
remotely.
yeah.
Yes.
But
So, it's
still,
still a big...
regarding the mga apps na required nila like Asana, I'm still not familiar po with that one.
Okay. How about dito sa baba, yung nice to have, preferred?
No, mostly experience ko po is customer service po eh. Communication, siguro meron akong like 8 grade,
Okay.
but still lack of knowledge pa po.
Alright. Very good. Sino pa gusto? Thank you, Raymond. Sino pa gusto mag-assess ng kanilang sarili dyan? Anyone who wants to assess yourself? Gusto niyo ba tawagin ko kayo?
Siguro po ako, ma'am, I'm gonna rate myself like around 6 or 7 kasi po, I have a background in healthcare, but when it comes to finance, yun yung weakness ko. When it comes naman to communication and operational planning, so I have experience on that, considering my job before. Pero in terms of business, financial aspect, medyo doon ako weak.
Okay.
So,
So at least, yeah, that's very good. At now, I want you to try to see now your strength and weaknesses para you can gauge yourself kung saan yung pwede nyo dapat pang i-improve more. At kung meron na kayong strength, you can enhance and polish it more, no? So that's the purpose of that. So I hope that we can look forward on developing ourselves. I will be helping you as well to set up a Shopify store on yourself. I do have a Shopify store on my own, so I can give you a good experience on that. But we'll talk about this in chapter 3, okay? Right. Okay, now, my question is, having seen yung mga requirements ng VA pag nag-a-apply, no? How to position yourself as a virtual assistant. Okay, now when you look at the requirements, pag sinasabi ninyo na this is parang pang intermediate na to, no? But then you will realize yourself, ayaw mong mag-start at mag-apply as a beginner. Right? Ayaw yung ilagay yung sarili ninyo as a beginner pag mag-a-apply kayo kasi the competition is very, very high. Kasi marami na ngayon, they want to really work as VA because they want the freedom of time. So the competition is very high. Now, the question is how you're going to position yourself as a virtual assistant, the one that a client can actually depend on. Because if you're going to put yourself in a beginner position, ang ibabayad nila sa inyo, 100 petot. Gusto nyo ba? Per hour. Gusto nyo ba? Eh, wag na lang ako mag-VA kung 100 petot per hour naman, di ba? So, that's what I'm telling you, that try your best to suit into the higher level and try to prove yourself that you can easily learn. Kasi, if you're going to put and label yourself, kasi tatanungin nila kayo, how would you identify yourself in this field? Kung ilalagay nyo sa beginner ang bracket ng value ninyo or yung inyong payment na ibibigay sa inyo would be also low. No, we don't want that kasi magbibigay tayo ng time and effort tapos 100 pesos para lang 'yun sa mga sa mga high school na nagpa-part-time, 'di ba? Paano naman 'yon? Huwag na lang tayo mag-VA kung gano'n ang bayad. So, I encourage you not to label yourself as a beginner kasi yung mga ibibigay na opportunity sa inyo is madaming work pero less ang bayad. Okay? And the good news as well is prefer talaga nila ang Filipino VA kasi mas tayo, basically 90% of us can speak in English, only we need to polish, no? So, meron na tayong edge. We just have to polish our core areas. So, ano ba yung mga core areas natin? We have what you have as, what we call as a professional mindset. So, kailangan professional yung mindset natin. That means you are not there to just work. You are there to help and support the business. Dapat ganon, no? You have to think like a manager. Dapat ganon lagi yung mentality. You have to think like yung business ng client mo is also your business. So that's how you make yourself as a professional. Okay, ganyan dapat yung mindset ninyo. Pag hinar kayo ng client, consider his business as your own. That's how you become a person with a professional mindset. Ano pa? Clear communication. So, alam naman na natin to. You have to know how to express your thoughts. Okay? And also, structured task management. So, hindi lang tayo nag-to-do list. Okay? You can also recommend. Hindi lang yung nag-to-do list ka kasi the clients would not want to hire somebody who will just give him a finished to-do list. What they want is somebody who would think over what the to-do list can do. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi nakalagay sa to-do list mo, and if you think that part of the to-do list is not going to impact the business, wag mo na lang gawin muna. So the priority of a business owner, of our entrepreneur, is that yung ginagawa ba natin is going to have an impact on profitability. So dapat ganun yung mindset nyo lagi na parang ito pang ginagawa ko, it will give value to the client. Kasi pag walang value, he would not care. Okay? Then he would not pay you. Ganyan. So, dapat ang ating task management should be more than just a to-do list. Okay? More than just a to-do list. Okay. Next, kailangan highly adaptable tayo. Ibig ko sabihin, kapag may bagong apps, especially may bagong AI, alamin natin yon. Now, we have to go on to that kasi sobrang dami. And if you are not really also going to be adaptable, baka ang client na kukuha sa'yo, you are not yet familiar with the applications. So, kailangan highly adaptable para madali natin siyang matutunan. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi ka tech savvy, then make yourself a tech savvy, right? Pag hindi mo alam yun, edi alamin. Ganyan. Hindi ka marunong ng ganito, edi alamin. Right? So that's how to become a highly adaptable professional. So kailangan, pag hindi natin alam, alamin. Ganun lang yon. Kasi hindi naman tayo pinanganak na alam natin lahat. So, being highly adaptable means that you are willing to learn something new all the time. Okay? And pag sinabi, do you know how to use this app? Then you should not say, no, sir, I'm sorry, I don't know. You have to say, well, it will take maybe one day or two for me to learn that. No problem. Ganon. Okay? Yeah, wag niyo sabihin, sorry sir, I don't know it. Sorry ma'am. You have to say that, yes, I can do it. Just give me 2 days. Okay, siguro naman in 2 days, alam niyo na yung mga pipindutin doon, no? Pwede niyo nang i-Google, paano ba ito gamitin like this? Watch some YouTube videos, how to use this. Dapat highly adaptable ang isang VA. Okay? So, palagay ko kaya naman natin to, right? Inshallah. Okay. Ano ba kasi ang nagmamatter sa client? Okay, client does not just need jobs done. What they want is problems to be solved. So you have to think of results. Results ang gusto ng client. Okay? Pag ang ginagawa mo will not do anything to give profitability, okay? So they would not like to hire you again. So, ang dami-dami pa silang options there, okay? Like in my experience, I hired a VA, okay? I have hired a VA before. I told her to manage my Instagram. Okay, ginawa niya naman yung mga postings, but it didn't give value to me. Bakit? Kasi she did not go beyond trying to get more sales. Nag-post lang siya ng nag-post. Kasi ang to-do list niyang is mag-post. But she did not give any value to me, so I wasn't happy. Kasi ang gusto ko is my profit, di ba? Kasi ikaw magbabayad ka ng ad, alright? You're going to pay an ad as a client, tapos wala namang bibili kasi hindi naman niya sinolve yung problem na pag may nag-aas na customer, hindi naman nasasagot. So now, the results was not there. So yung result ng ad ng client, hindi naman na-meet. So they don't want like that kind of performance. So extra beyond the to-do list ang gusto ng client. Okay? Ganon ang professional mindset. And if you are going to put yourself into that kind of mindset, alam mo na agad yung gusto ng client, you anticipate the needs of your client. Gusto ni client ganito. Okay, so dapat gawin mo na yon. Make smart decisions. Should I do this or that first? So now, when deciding to do on your to-do list, ano bang uunahin ko dito? Unahin mo kung ano yung mas pinakamadali. Yung matatapos mo ng 5 minutes, then you go through the most important and depending on the urgency as well as the priority. So, dapat alam mo kung ano ang priority ni client. So, you will do that one first. Okay? Yun ang smart decision. Communicate strategically. So, pag nagko-communicate ka strategically, that means, sasabihin ko ba ito kay boss? Anong expectation niya? Anong expected answer niya? Okay. Pag in-expect mo na yung isasagot niya, alam mo na rin kung ano yung isasagot mo. Okay. Like for example, you say, nakita ko yung gantong problem doon. Okay? You don't need to wait for your client to tell you, what should I do? Wag ganon, no? How you can communicate strategically, sabi mo, I saw this problem over there, okay, in this kind of particular part of the business. Then, you give a solution. Kasi ang gusto ng client, mag-yes, no na lang sila. So, ang sasabihin mo, should I do this now? I already have done this. Just say yes or no. Should I go with it or should we talk about it? Ganon. So, magsasuggest din kayo ng solutions to the problems. Huwag tayo mag-antay ng sasabihin ng client na ganito gagawin mo. Dapat sabihin mo na gusto ko gawin to. Okay ba o hindi? Okay? Gusto kong i-boost doon sa sa Instagram ito for 1,000 pesos. Should I go ahead or should we talk about it? Ganon, no? So instead of saying, sir, tapos ko na po yung to-do list, ano po next? Okay, you see the difference? Di ba? You see the difference? If you're just waiting for instruction and giving your suggestion. Okay?
Yeah.
Pag ganyan ang mindset ninyo, you will increase your rate. Ibig sabihin, mas babayaran kayo ng mas maganda. Okay? Baka bibigyan pa kayo ng bonus. Alright? Okay. So, the most important, syempre, it goes down to the money. Diba? So, lahat naman tayo gusto ng mataas na rate. Okay? Ayaw mo naman mabayaran ng 100 pesos per hour, no? Okay. So, let's take a look at the basic virtual assistant compared to a pro VA. Siyempre, ang goal natin is to become a professional VA. Diba? Dapat ganun ang goal natin. So, wag nating ilagay ang ating self sa goal na mababa. Kasi, usually, if you're going to set your goal to a lower level, ang ma-achieve mo lang, mas lower pa. Yun ang result. So, kung ang achievement na gusto mong marating is 100%, usually mas mababa pa doon yung ma-achieve natin. So usually baka nasa 98, pero mataas pa rin kasi tinaasan mo yung standard mo for yourself. Okay? I hope I'm making myself clear. Okay? So you have to make your goal, your aim ninyo na mataas para yung ma-achieve din ninyo mataas kahit medyo mas mababa doon sa nilagay ninyong goal ninyo. So, in this case, we want to be a pro VA. Gusto natin maging professional VA. And we can do it, okay? We can do it actually. Alright, ano bang ginagawa ng basic VA? Ang basic VA, they would follow instruction. A basic VA would follow instruction. Very good. While a pro VA thinks strategically. Hindi na yan mag-aantay ng instruction. Magsasabi na siya ng gusto niyang gawin. He or she will just ask for approval. You see? Right. So you say, I just want to make sure if I have all the information I needed so I can serve you best. So, you know, this word, this statement is very, very sweet in the ears of a client. So save this statement. Okay? Kasi lahat ng mga client, entrepreneurs, business owners, managers, gusto nila ng ganitong mindset. So sabi mo, sir, I want to make sure if I have all the information I need so I can serve you best. Okay? So, siya na magsasabi ng gusto niyang ibigay sa'yo na information without you asking. So, save this statement. It will be very helpful for you in the future, inshallah, pag kayo na ang maging VA. Okay? So, isave nyo yan. Dapat ganyan. So, i-practice nyo na sa isip nyo, paano kaya sasabihin to? Sir, I just want to make sure I have all the information. How can I serve you best? Is there anything else I should know? Ganyan. Okay? Ayan ang professional mindset ng VA. Communication naman, in terms of communication. Ang basic VA, nag-aantay na tanungin ni boss. Nag-aantay lang ako na sabihin ni boss kung, nagawa mo na ba yung ganito? Alright? That's what a basic VA is. But a professional VA would give updates proactively. Hindi na niya kailangang antayin si boss na magtanong if natapos na yung kanyang pinagagawa. If he asks you to do something, gawin mo na and tell the client that I already done it. Finish. Okay? And then, do you want me to do a second one? Okay? Ganon. Magsasuggest ka and you proactively give an update. Huwag mo nang antayin na tanungin ka ni client kung tapos ko na ba yung pinagagawa niya sa akin. Okay? So, be a pro VA. You have to proactively give updates. Okay? You can say, I just went through the report and I saw this report. It's not updated. Okay? So, should I update it? Ganun na. No? So, you don't wait for instructions. Okay? Pag may nakita kayo na something wrong, try to solve that problem immediately. But of course, with due respect to the client, you have to ask permission if you can go ahead with it or you can just talk about it first. Okay? Baka sabihin niya, no need for this to update. Then you're just wasting your time. Then, he might give you something that should be updated because it's more important. So, you have to be proactively updating and suggesting. Okay? Huwag mag-aantay ng question kung natapos ko na ba. Okay? So, don't be like this kind of a VA, yung nag-aantay na tanungin kung tapos na. Okay, pagdating naman sa task management. What does a basic VA do? Meron siyang to-do list, right? Meron siyang to-do list. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yung pro VA, titignan niya muna yung to-do list. Alin ba doon ang mas may impact? Okay, example ng to-do list, sasagutin ko ba yung inquiries? Alright, inquiry, answer inquiries. Post in social media, okay? Update financial statement. Anong uunahin mo doon? Now, if you're going to ask me, okay, pag ganyan ang nasa to-do list, magsasagot ba ako ng inquiry? Magpo-post ba ako sa social media? Or i-update ko ba yung financial statements? So, anong petsa na ngayon? Anong petsa ngayon?
30.
30. Anong meron sa 30? Sa katapusan?
Salary.
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 So, kung
Month-end reports.
Month-end reports, yes. Report.
yon. So, kung sa tatlo na yan, magsasagot ba ako ng inquiry, magpo-post ba ako sa social media, or tatapusin ko yung financial statement, anong uunahin ninyo?
Financial statement.
Uunahin nyo yung financial statement kasi katapusan. Kasi pag hindi yun na-update, high
Yeah.
blood si boss, hindi ka rin niya sasahuran. Mm. Okay. You got the point? So ang Pro VA is going to take a look at the to-do list. Okay? Yung Pro VA is going to take a look at the to-do list. Ano ba yung something that would matter and has a business impact at the right time? Okay? So, do you understand what we mean here sa task management, guys?
Yes po, noted po.
Yes po.
Okay. So, we have communication, task management. Okay? Problem solving naman. Anong ginagawa ng basic VA? Nagre-report lang ng problem. Sir, nahack po tayo, sir. Ganyan. Okay. Pero yung Pro VA, anong sasabihin niya? Magre-report pa ng problem at magre-recommend ng solution. So, kapag pag inyong, halimbawa, yung website nyo ay nahack, anong isasuggest mo sa client mo? Nahack ang website nyo. What are you going to suggest to your client to become a Pro VA? Hindi mo lang sasabihin na, sir, nahack. Oh my God. So, anong solution natin?
Yes.
Anyone? Anong recommendation na pwede niyong sabihin pag nahack ang website niyo, for example?
Ano po ng IT to solve the problem po.
Okay.
IT
So,
expert.
alam naman yun ng client, pero ang tanong, saan niya i-contact yung IT expert? You should already know some
Like we will
contacts.
tell that our system was hacked, but we already communicated to IT. They are
Okay.
already doing their part to solve
Yes,
the
okay.
problems.
Ayun. Good try, Miss Eileen. Kung
Thank
walang
you.
IT, kailangan meron ka nang isa-suggest na group of people who are IT experts as well or IT solutions. So, wag lang tayo magre-report ng problem kasi nakakadagdag ka sa problem ng client if you're just reporting a problem without a solution because you are being paid to solve problems. Okay? So, you have to make yourself, the client feel that you are there to help and give and offer solutions. Okay? Ganyan ang problem-solving mentality ng isang professional VA. Okay? So, kailangan meron ka na agad solution. Sometimes you already have solved the problem and that's even better. Okay? Nag-raise ng hand si Oppo. Hindi niya naman nilagay kung anong name niya. So, I couldn't call you. Okay. Thank you for raising your hand. Let's proceed. O, pagdating naman sa tools and technology, the basic VA would use standard tools. Okay? Pero yung Pro VA would adapt quickly and suggest improvements. Okay? Halimbawa, you have a system in your work, baka pwede mong mag-suggest kay client, this part of the system is not helping me. Baka naman pwede nating yung sila dyan, wala kang pakialam nyo sa system nila. So, see, again, in the professional mindset, you always have to let your client feel that their business is also your business. Okay? Okay. Any questions? Right, dito naman tayo sa business awareness. Okay, makikita nyo, the basic VA is always focused on the task. Yung mga to-do list niya, yan, nakafocus siya dyan sa number 1, number 2, check, number 3, check. Alright, but a Pro VA is going to take a look at the goal and results driven. So you can see again, going back to your task management, take a look at your task kung ano ba yung mas more impact. What is more priority? What could give results and value? Okay? What could give results and value? So giving an example that I have told you earlier, yung hinire ko na VA to take care of my Instagram account. So kung sana nag-focus siya sa makagawa ng sales, then I would be very happy. Pero nag-focus lang siya sa nagpo-post and she did not answer clients, so wala kaming sales. So pakiramdam ko, nagbayad lang ako ng mag-post. Ako na lang sana nag-post, di ba? Alright, so marunong naman tayo mag-post. So that's what I'm trying to say. Your business awareness or your mindset should be something that is going towards the goal. At ang goal natin is profitability. Okay? So dapat yung to-do list ninyo is going to be done according to the goal. And the goal is profitability, value. Okay? Kasi clients would not care if you have done 10 points of to-do list. Nagawa ko na to, pero wala naman doon ni isa would give any value at the end of the month. All right? So that's what I'm trying to say. A pro VA is always goal and results driven. Okay? Sige nga, tignan natin if nag-take notes ang ating learners. Okay. Si basic VA, sinong gusto sumagot? Sa professional mindset, si basic VA follows instruction. Samantalang si Pro VA, anong ginagawa ni Pro VA?
Thinks
Think
strategically.
Think strategically.
Strategically.
Okay, very good. How about sa communication? Si basic VA, nag-aantay na tanungin. Tapos mo na ba yung work? Samantalang si Pro VA, what does he or she do?
Proactively updates and
Suggest.
suggests.
Magsasuggest.
Proactive
Diba?
and
Mag-update at
suggest.
magsasuggest. Eh, yung task management,
Prioritize
Priorities
based
based the
on
business
business
reports.
Business
impact.
impact.
okay. At yung business impact is on profitability and value. Ha? Pagdating sa problem solving, si basic VA nagre-report lang ng problem. Si Pro VA,
Recommend
Recommend
Recommends
And
solutions.
solutions.
okay, very good, very good. So, nagre-recommend ng solution. Kasi ang client, ayaw nila ng reclamador. Gusto nila ng nagbibigay ng solution to problems. Okay. So, dito, you have to give your answers, isend nyo sa WhatsApp. Instruction, ulitin ko ha. Okay. So, dito, you have to give answers. Okay? So, you're going to send your answers sa WhatsApp. Send nyo sa WhatsApp. Sa akin. Huwag sa group chat. Okay? Sa akin. Send your answers sa WhatsApp. Huwag sa group chat. Sa akin. Okay? Okay ba? Raise your hands if you understood the instruction. Okay? May mga hindi pa nag-raise ng hand. Ewan ko if naintindihan nila yung instruction. The instruction is, you send me the answer in WhatsApp. So, baka di nyo pa ako sinisave sa WhatsApp. I-save nyo na yung sagot nyo dyan, ha? Ay, yung number ko, dears. Mga dear. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, i-lower nyo na yung hands, please. I-lower nyo na yung hands para alam ko na okay na. Okay. Good. Ready na? Ready na, ha? Huwag nyo sasabihin yung sagot nyo, ha? Baka mamaya may maririnig naman ako, gumaganyan dyan.
Madam, anong number niyo sa WhatsApp?
Aray ko.
Aray ko.
Oh my God.
No, sorry, I just, no, kasi hindi ko alam kung ikaw yung nagme-message sa akin. Ang name kasi Jeline eh.
Hindi ako yon. Okay.
That's why I'm asking, Madam.
Right, no problem. Okay, sige.
Yes po.
Tanungin mo yung nagme-message sa'yo kung ano number ko. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, good. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam.
Okay. Ready na ba?
Okay
Ready na
po,
ang
game.
keyboard. Sige. Very good. So, first question. Question number 1. Which best represents a strategic virtual assistant work? Which best represent a strategic virtual assistant work? So,
I
mamaya
cannot
ko na
see
i-check.
I cannot
Anong-
see the
Letter
ano
C.
po, yung
Madam,
C,
Ma'am,
letter C.
Hindi makita lahat
the
ng
option. The multiple choice.
Hindi nyo
choices.
makita yung option?
takpan po,
Bakit?
ma'am.
Yung C
Ah,
po.
Natatakpan.
Yeah.
Ay,
I think
natatakpan ko ba?
position sa screen, yes.
Ay. Okay, sige.
Medyo
Dali.
nasa gitna ka.
Ay, sorry. Sige, sige.
Medyo sa
Ayusin
gilid,
ko.
madam.
Maybe ma'am, upper left siguro much better.
Sige. Sige. Saglit. Saglit lang. Relax. Kalma lang. Saglit. Ayusin natin. Technical
Okay.
issue, sorry. Mag-take 2 tayo saglit. Hanapin natin ang problema.
Dulot ya.
Already sent, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Yung iba. Okay, next. Next question. Ang sagot yan is letter C, ha? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Next. Slow response, feedback. Ibig sabihin, yung pagre-respond daw is very slow. Ano daw ang kailangan ninyong i-adjust sa inyong key performance indicators if your response rate as a business is very low or slow? What KPI you should adjust? So, ang feedback sa inyo ng mga customer nyo, ang bagal mag-reply ng inyong customer service. So, what do you think you have to adjust to or change in your KPIs, your key performance indicators? Okay. The proper answer or the correct answer is
Responsiveness.
Siyempre, i-adjust natin si responsiveness to a higher level. Kaya natin i-adjust
Yeah.
yan. Okay. 2 points na ba?
Yes.
Yes.
So, sige. Next question. A VA noticing repeated reports, na ulit-ulit yung report error, and creating a checklist is applying what? Now, the keyword here is, di ba, meron tayo kanina functions, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. That part is what you call, or the function is nagsusolve ka ng problem. So, how do you call that function of a VA na nagsusolve ka ng problem, nag-check ka ng problem at anong solution sa problem?
Okay po.
The answer is controlling.
Yes, controlling.
Yes.
Okay, good. Perfect score yata, mashallah. Okay. Very good. Number 4. Setting communication rules with the client is an example of, for example, sabi mo kay client, boss, hindi ako available ng gantong oras siya gantong oras. So that's a rule that you have set when you communicate with your client. So how do you call that? Example of a
Communication.
Hindi resetting.
Okay. Better.
Okay, ang sagot dyan is communication
Communication protocols. Yes.
Huwag naman boundary setting kasi kaya ka nga hinay. Kaya ka nga hinay to communicate. But when you talk about communication rules, meron na rin nakaset yan sila. Sila na magsiset din yan. Now, your only job is to agree or disagree depending on your time zone. Kasi ang client ko minsan, they want you to be free for like 5 hours na nagmamatch doon sa kanilang time zone. So that's what we mean here. So there's no way of talking about boundary setting here. We are talking about communication protocols. Okay? Right. Okay. Next question. Project management tools are essential. Bakit importante ang mga project management tools? Kagaya ng Monday.com or Asana, okay, or ClickUp. Bakit importante itong mga to? Ang sipag naman ni Miss Liz yan, tinatype pa yung sagot, hindi lang letter. Okay. Sige, the correct answer here is
Offer workflow visualization.
visualization. Okay, very good. So at least we are following. Okay. All right. Parang letter si lahat ng sagot ah.
Isang B.
Isang
Nag-D
B.
rin. Oh, okay. Coincidence. Right. Mentoring a junior VA. Halimbawa, meron kang team and yung isa sa team mo is a junior VA. Bago lang siya. So while you are mentoring that junior VA, you're also leading a client meeting. Ano ibig sabihin nun? You are exposing or demonstrating what kind of ability?
Siguro ito.
Siguro? Bakit siguro? Alright. The answer is
Is dual role leadership.
Dalawang ginagawa mo dyan, no? So, hindi naman siguro siya multitasking pa yan kasi dadalawa lang
Hindi,
naman.
dadalawa
Multi
lang
siguro
yan.
pag 3 or 4 na, no? So, but the problem with multitasking, pag tinanong kayo ng multitasking, the reality is, if you're going to do more than one na task, your attention is already divided also between those two. So pag tatlo yung inaasikaso ninyo, divided din yung attention ninyo into 3. Therefore, yung effectivity ninyo bumababa. Okay? So pag sinabi nilang, are you a multitasker? Sabihin mo, yeah, I can do it, but I prefer to do works with full 100% attention. But if you can manage 3, okay lang, edi go. Okay, now, always give a positive answer pag ini-interview na kayo. Okay? Mga ganyan dapat ang mga atake nyo sa questions. Okay. Number 7, a VA, aiming for premium pricing. Oh, ibig sabihin, pag ikaw gusto mo ng high-paid job, high-paid value, high-paid rate, ayaw mo ng 100 petot per hour, anong gagawin mo para hindi ka babayaran ng 100 pesos per hour? Okay. Ang sagot is
Niche expertise.
expertise. Ang tanong, ano ba ang niche or niche? Anyone?
Kung saan
Yes.
ka po or ano ba?
Saan ka what? Yan, narinig ko. Ano yun? Saan ka?
Magaling.
Saan ka
Like, yung
magaling?
expertise mo, yes po.
Kung saan ka komportable,
Yes. So, kung saan ka you work best. Okay?
suitable.
O kaya
Yes.
naman, kung ang niche is pwede rin ang inyong ina-applyan is a medical VA, dapat maging expert ka sa medical field. Okay? Kasi maraming iba-ibang klase ng VA. Pwede rin ang client mo is a doctor, no? So, pwede rin ang client mo is an entrepreneur. Pwede rin artista, okay? O pwede rin, anybody can do. So, whatever that niche of your client is, dapat maging expert ka doon. Okay? Although the same skills are applied, dapat meron din kayong expertise on that field. So, alamin nyo kung ano yung mga gusto at ano yung nature ng business ng client. Okay? Para maging expert kayo doon, magbasa kayo about that expertise. Kung doon sila sa solar panels, dapat may alam ka sa solar panels. Kung ang business nila is about construction, dapat marunong ka rin something about construction and flood control, di ba? Mga ganyan.
Aray ko.
Aray ko po. May
Okay,
singit
next
pa.
question. Next question. Spotting and finding solution to a conflict. Oh, may conflict dito, dalawa. Travel request, yung isa naman deadline. Anong uunahin natin? O yan, may conflict ka pero may solution ka naman. So how do you call that skill? Sabi ni boss, mag-arrange ako ng travel niya. Tapos, deadline na ano, kailangan nandito na siya before that. So, maraming, solution to this issue. So, what do you call that? Ability to solve this problem. Okay, syempre, problem solving, no? Hindi yan siya technical skill
Yes.
kasi have 2 problems na nga dyan.
Kala
And
ko nga,
technical-
task isolation eh.
Hindi mo nga pwede i-isolate kasi kailangan yung dalawa. Diba? It happens. Okay, magre-request si client na, okay, arrange my travel, book my ticket, and then fix everything, fix my visa. At the same time, may deadline na nung kanyang kailangan maggagawa siya meron siyang speech na i-deliver on the same day ng flight niya. Gusto niya mag-travel on the same day. Now, these are things that you have to solve. Mga ganyan, no? O kaya naman yung time zone ninyo magkaiba rin. Alright? So, many things. But anything that has been conflict, yan yung mga isosolve ninyo. Okay. Studying a new CRM or Customer Relationship Management Platform for better service relates to. Okay, so ibig sabihin kasi ang client, usually meron na silang system. Okay, so kailangan aaralin mo yung paano gamitin. Okay, so aaralin mo siya so you can attend to your customer effectively. It relates to what? Mag-aaral ka. Aaralin mo. Aaralin mo siya kasi nga hindi mo pa alam yung system, which is normal. Ang sagot is
Professional development.
So, syempre, pag hindi
Muntikan
natin
ko na
alam,
masagot
edi
yung A.
aralin. Aralin natin pag hindi natin alam. Okay? So, that's called professional development. So, in this work as VA, it's always going to be like that. Kailangan lagi tayong highly adaptable to new things. Okay? O, kung minsan yan, bibigay lang sa'yo yung then okay, study this and let me know. Ganon, no? Ganyan yan mga client ko minsan eh. Study this and let me know. So, kasi ayaw na nila mag-isip. Gusto nila ikaw mag-isip for them. Some clients are like that. Okay? Alright, so you should be ready. Number 10, avoiding bottlenecks. Kapag bottlenecks, it means yung mga time na very hectic na yung schedule. Okay? So, avoiding bottlenecks depends most on strong, ibig sabihin, ano ang pinaka-activity or skill na meron ka para ma-avoid or ma-address mo ang mga very strict or very tight na schedules, mga dami ng work, anong dapat gagawin natin dito?
Organizational skills.
Okay, send nyo yung sagot nyo sa WhatsApp. Okay? Organizational
Mali ako.
skills. Okay, organizational skills. So, kinopya na yung sagot mo pag sinabi mo yan yung sagot mo.
Thank you.
Oh, may nag-thank you na, oh. Kinopya yung sagot mo.
Mali ako,
Okay.
mali.
Salamat, Doc.
Pag mali yung sagot niya, mali kayong dalawa. O, di wow. Okay. Reviewing completed work for quality. So, bago mo isubmit kay boss ang report, i-review mo muna, right? Bago mo sasubmit, i-review mo muna. Otherwise, i-reject. So, now, before you submit your reports, paalala, bago kayo mag-submit ng report, i-check nyo na kung ano yung expectation ni boss. Alam mong sasabihin niya to, you have to put it there. Alam mong hahanapin niya to, dapat naandun yun. Alright? So, what do you call this function wherein you're going to review bago ka mag-submit? Magre-review bago mo isasubmit. Hindi ka magpo-problem solve dito, ha? Oh, ang sagot is...
Controlling.
Okay. May nagsalamat, Doc, na naman.
Uy.
Organizing. Okay? Siyempre, organize mo yung data, tsaka information na kailangan mong isubmit. So, if you're going to review it, i-organize mo muna bago mo isasubmit.
Mali.
'Di ba? Hindi mo naman isasubmit niya na yung introduction nasa dulo, tapos yung conclusion nasa unahan. Something like this, no? So, that's what we're trying to say here. You're going to organize before you submit it. Kailangan naka-organize na yung information. Number 12. Monthly content planning. Okay, magko-content planning ka halimbawa sa social media account ng client plus engagement review. Okay? Demonstrate what? So, dapat alam mo to if you're a VA. Ano ba yung mga plano natin for this month, for this week? Ano ipopost natin? Anong product ang i-boost natin? Okay. And then, okay, by this week, ang engagement natin is like this. Dapat alam mo yung mga yan. Anong tawag dyan?
Okay.
Ang tawag dyan, if you are thinking about the monthly content planning plus engagement from your viewers sa social media account ni client, ang tawag dyan is, number 12, it's digital
12,
marketing
yes.
and control. Okay? So, our marketing manager will be helping you out on this sa inyong OJT. Okay? Tutulungan nila kayo to learn about how to think about content planning and engagement. Later, I'll just be giving you an overview. So, lahat yan, i-apply nyo na sa OJT ninyo. Kasi it's always good if you have experience. Okay? So, we'll give you the platform. So, don't worry about it. Number 13, coordinating an international webinar, highlight Switch VA Challenge. Madali lang to. Mag-coordinate ka daw ng international webinar highlights. Okay? So, you should know how to use Microsoft tools as well, like Microsoft Teams, kasi alam naman na natin ang Zoom. Dapat meron din kayong ibang alam na apps, like Slack as well, no? So, ang tawag dyan is?
Letter C, global scheduling complexity.
Okay. Next, number
Very
14. The evolution of VA roles into strategic work. So, ibig sabihin, ang VA kasi hindi na lang assistant ngayon yan. Kailangan strategic worker ka na rin kasi you will do some admin tasks. Okay? And you have to think like the manager himself. So, yan ang ibig sabihin. So, anong admin task is tied up into the strategic work of a VA? Okay?
Letter C, remote work growth.
Remote work growth.
Kung nagtatype pa yung iba, antayin natin. Parang hindi pa sila makadecide. Oh. Titignan muna nila kung tama ba yung sagot ng mga nag-announce ng answer nila. Okay. The answer is remote work growth. Okay. Number 15, the last question. A client asks a VA to develop a system for tracking overdue tasks across teams. This demonstrates which Management function. Ano yung function mo as a VA kung ang sabi ni client is you have to give me a system so how we can track the overdue task, yung mga hindi natin nagawa na to-do list sa team. Ang tawag doon.
Ito. Mhm.
WA tool reduces traffic.
Siguro ito.
Okay.
Mhm.
The answer is controlling.
Controlling. Yes.
Okay, kasi may problem dyan, no? May problem.
Mm.
Always remember,
Yeah.
pag controlling, nagko-control kayo. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, don't worry, sir, everything is under control. Ibig sabihin, solve na yung
Yes.
problem. Okay? So, I hope that one day you can say that to your client, don't worry, sir, ma'am, everything is under control. Ibig sabihin, na-solve nyo na yung mga problems. Okay? So, pag sinabing controlling, sinosolve nyo yung problem. Okay. Let's take a look at this now. Bago tayo mag-break ng mga 5 minutes siguro, mag-sip lang tayo ng konting coffee or tea, ha? At i-go back to your notes later. I want you to look at this posting for a VA. Oh, for hire to preferred Filipino VA. Oh, apply. Pero sabi ko nga, pag nag-apply kayo, magpapasubmit sila ng video about yourself. That's what the first thing I asked you earlier. Okay? So, pag ready na yung ano nyo, pag ready na yung video na ginawa nyo, I'll be giving you a 5 minutes break. Pag ready na, please submit it to Slack. Okay? So, i-click nyo na lang yung Slack and then you'll go to the Slack and upload niyo doon yung video. 30 seconds. So, I'll be giving you 5 minutes break. You can use it by reviewing your lessons or make that video. Planuhin nyo muna kung anong sasabihin ninyo para hindi kayo mag-mumble. Okay, guys? So, I'll be giving you 5 minutes break. Okay? And think about and look at this posting ng wanted na VA and try to see if you can actually manage to apply. Okay? client. So I think we guys can do, no? All we need to do is that confidence to proceed and accept the challenge and go through that difficulty of learning the things we are supposed to know while we are still new on this field, di ba? Okay, so let's just try looking at the other roles of the VA. So una, magpo-provide kayo ng remote, administrative, technical, and creative sa business ng inyong client. So kailangan, ganun ang mentality natin, you will support the business, not just to do finish a to-do list. Okay? So una, kailangan, you have the ability to work independently, kaya nga hindi ko kayo spoon feed. Yung mga tanong nyo, try to look for the answer to those questions. Okay? Pag hindi nyo na talaga kaya, then you can ask me. Okay? In that way, magiging independent kayo on how to solve your issues. Kasi kayo yung magsosolve ng issue. So dapat alam nyo how to manage a problem on your own. You have to be very, very independent actually. Okay? And high quality pa rin yung output kahit independent at wala kayo masyadong support and you did it on your own. So we will be doing some calendar management, okay? Data entry, social media support, customer service, lahat yan gagawin natin, and bookkeeping. I'll be helping you out in that as well. Sa Excel sheets, Google Sheets in particular. Also, we will incorporate your skills and the ongoing skills that you have right now with digital marketing, okay? Things that are related to operations and syempre management capabilities, which I believe everybody has. Kailangan natin i-hone and to polish them, okay? So, itong mga to nandun na rin sa inyong lesson notes sa portal. You can always download that. Nandun lahat. Okay? So, i-download nyo na lang and read over. Andun din yung quiz natin today. Nandun ang link. You can just always click on it. And after you're done, type your name on the leaderboard para makita ko na tinake nyo yung quiz. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, the first week of their enrollment, nag-take na sila ng quiz. So, I expect that they would have already perfected the quiz. Okay? So, yung scope ng work ninyo as a VA, not just in traditional admin support, you will also do digital marketing support. So, dapat techie savvy tayo pag VA. No? So, we have to equip ourselves with the core task of a VA, both administrative at saka technical. So mag-schedule tayo, okay? Email management. I hope everybody knows how to use MS Outlook at least, or syempre simple ways on how to manage your emails, okay? And maybe travel arrangement. Dapat alam nyo na how to fix visas on your own kasi baka pag hingin kayo ng client na i-arrange ang travel niya and you still don't have resources on saan ba ako pwedeng mag-book. Saan ba ako pwedeng dapat alam nyo na yung preference. So these are the expectations of clients. Kasi nga, they don't want to do the work on their own. They want somebody to do it for them. So dapat alam nyo na. So you put yourselves in the shoes of the client. And then you will know kung ano talaga yung expectation nila. Kasi nagbabayad sila ng assistant to do it for them. Simpleng pagbubook ng ticket, pagkukuha ng visa, you should know how to do all these things already. If you don't know, you have to ask. Find resources, get reliable information, nandiyan naman ang internet. But if you need some help, also I can help you. Pero syempre yung mga certain things only that I can help you locally. Kasi yun lang din naman ang experience ko. But for things like halimbawa, gusto nila nasa US yung client mo, they want a visa for a certain country, dapat alam mo na kung paano i-arrange yun. Mga ganyan, no? So these are the things that you have to move yourself up para sa development ng inyong profession. Kasi yun talaga ang expectation ng client sa inyo. Okay, so also, syempre customer service yan. Okay, pwede rin sa finance. Sabi ko nga kanina, you also have to know how to read financial statements and use Google Sheet. So we will tackle that as well. So don't worry, I'll do my best. But still, the effort should still come from you kasi kahit anong sabihin ko dito, if you don't really exert effort to develop yourself, wala. Then now, so it's a two-way solution kasi hindi pwedeng nag-attend ka tapos okay ka na, no? Dapat mag-exert talaga tayo ng effort, no? We really have to exert effort. So at this point, I'd like to ask if you have any questions so far before we go to our Slack activity, our first Slack activity. Wala?
No.
Raise your hand if meron kayong tanong, please. I'd be glad to answer questions. I think wala naman, no? So let's go to our Slack. Okay? Nandiyan na ba kayo lahat sa Slack? Punta kayo sa Slack. Nandun na yung aking message sa channel natin, which is the All Virtual Assistant. Meron kayong individual dyan, isa-isa kayo. But I also have a channel. I made it for all of us. Yan sa All Virtual Assistant. You can drop your video there. So, aantayin ko ngayon yung video ninyo, the 30 seconds video. Ready na ba ang mga video nyo or hindi pa?
Not yet.
Not
Or you
yet
wanna
po,
do it
ma'am.
live? At
Not
least you should
yet
have
pa
listed.
po.
Nilista
Not
nyo na ba yung
yet.
mga process? Nilista nyo na ba yung anong unang sasabihin ko? Ano yung pangalawa? Ano yung pangatlo? Nilista nyo na ba?
Yes.
O, di ready na. Pwede tayo mag-practice. Who wanna try? Sino gusto mag-try? Para at least meron tayong basis. Wala.
Wala.
Try nyo. Kasi gagawin nyo din yan in the future. You have to do it now. Don't get scared to make mistakes. It's normal, kasi doon naman tayo natututo. So you can always try. This will help boost your confidence kasi meron kayo audience. Okay? Kasi iba
Okay.
naman pag mag-isa nyo lang eh. So try nyo lang and then we can give our input. Siguro you have added this. Pag yung turn nyo na rin, kami rin magbibigay ng input.
So,
Anyone who wants to try?
pwede mo na, madam. Sige, try ko.
Sige, try mo nga, Mr.
Babasahin ko lang
Raymond.
po, madam, Sinulat ko.
Ay, pero
Yung ginawa.
i-record nyo, huwag nyo babasahin, please. Okay?
Eh,
Kasi
Yes.
halata din pag binasa nyo sa script. So, practice lang ngayon. Practice. Sige, trial.
okay.
Go,
Practice.
Mr. Raymond. Pasok.
Okay. Hello, my name is Raymond Bautista. For the past 5 years, I've worked as a sales representative where my primary focus has been building strong client relationships. My core strength is communication. I excel at actively listening to client needs and conveying information clearly and persuasively. I'm now eager to leverage that skill set in virtual assistant role where I can provide dedicated support, manage communication effectively, and help ensure everything runs smoothly for you and your team. 30 seconds.
Na-timingan mo ba yun, Mr.
30
Raymond?
seconds na yun.
Hindi mo tinimingan.
mamaya. Iyan mo
Oh
na
my
lang
God.
mamaya. I-runs mo
Sige.
na lang po mamaya.
Sige.
So
So,
far.
kita mo naman, no? It's so obvious that it's scripted. So, makikita natin. If you're going to start with, hello, good afternoon. My name is Raymond. I come from the Philippines. I'm currently located at ganyan. No? So, kasi gusto nilang malaman where are you located. Kasi they will also ask your time zone and your location, mga ganyan. So, those are the things you have to provide and your experience with the related job. So, for example, kung ang hinahanap nila is a Filipino VA, then you have to highlight na ikaw ay Filipino. Okay? Ganon. So, depende sa kung ano yung hinihingi nung na-applyan mo, yun yung i-highlight mo na kailangan. So, it's not necessarily you just wanna say something. So, hanapin mo muna kung ano yung sinasabi nila. For example, has to have an experience of 2 to 3 years of administrative tasks. So, you can say, hello, my name is Raymond. I come from the Philippines. I was born there and I was raised. My native language is Filipino, and I have been working for this much of years here in Kuwait. I have 2 to 3 years experience of administrative tasks, assisting a business person, something like that. So, alam nila na kung yung anong hinihingi nila nag-match doon sa sinasabi mo.
Ah.
Right? Oo. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Raymond. Anybody who wants to try also? Tatimingan natin yan. Sige. 30 seconds. Anyone who wanna try? Mga dalawa pa bago tayo mag-slack. Come on. You can do it. Kaya nyo yan. Kasi gagawin nyo din naman. You should take this opportunity now kasi meron kayo audience. At least mas mabubus yung confidence nyo. Yeah.
Nakakuha pa ng ibang idea.
Yes, that's right.
Natagdagan
That's
idea ko.
nice.
So, mamaya alam ko na yung sasabihin.
Miss Eileen, you wanna try?
Nag-send na po ako ng video sa Slack.
Try mo din dito sa live.
26
Sige.
seconds lang, Eileen. Hindi siya mabot ng 30 seconds.
Oh, kulang.
ka pa ng 4 seconds.
Oh, 4 seconds.
Sasabihin ng client, hindi nagsusunod ng instruction. To pag sinabing 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay?
Kulang
Right.
lang po sa 4 na hinga.
So, ano kaya yon? O huminga ka ng 4 para, okay, tapos isa na naman ulit. O.
2
Pero sa 4
seconds sa
seconds, marami
umpisa,
ka na.
2 seconds sa huli. Ganun.
But sa 4 seconds na yun, marami ka naman sasabi eh. Alright? Marami ka naman sasabi sa 4 seconds.
Ulitin ko po.
Yes! Kasi isasubmit nyo din yan later doon sa applyan nyo. Hihingaan kayo. I'm not
Ah,
joking. I'm not
okay.
joking.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, it's
real.
true. Yeah.
Hihingaan kayo ng video. Pag hindi kayo makaproduce ng video, parang ka mag-a-apply. So, you will not be Tapos yung video nyo, kukumpare pa nila yan sa mga ibang nag-a-apply din. So, you have to be very competitive talaga.
Siguro, ma'am, may ano naman po, consideration as a,
Hmm.
bali, kasi ako sa totoo lang, hindi pa masyado boost yung confidence ko. Kasi siguro up the end, mabuboost ka na.
Mm.
Kaya,
Yeah, basta nagsistruggle ka, if you struggle for
Mm.
something, you will achieve what you're struggling for.
yeah. Siguro pag more skills na, syempre may
More
confident na.
practice. Yeah, more
Confident
practice.
na rin.
Oh, practice na. O, isa na lang. How about Jerwin? Yes, Mr. Jerwin.
Wala pa po,
You wanna
ma'am,
try?
Hindi pa po. Wala pa po.
Try lang. O, sige. Sino pa?
Can I
Can I
try now?
try?
Miss Judy. Yes, Miss Judy. Let's hear Miss Judy.
For me is this. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Judy Atienza. I'm from from a beautiful and bounty country of Philippines, a mother of 3, and a guest experience leader with strong experience in customer service for 3.5 years here in Kuwait. And I'm organized and detail-oriented person with a friendly and jolly personality. And I always make sure every task is done with care and positivity. I'm skilled in using Google Workspace, Microsoft's tools, and other digital platforms that help me work efficiently. I'm excited.
Okay.
to give
30
my
seconds is done.
Over limit.
In,
Sobrang
saan po? Saan banda po efficiently po ba?
Oo, doon
Siguro
siya.
tanggalin mo na yung Bounty Philippines. Yung
Bounty
Bounty.
Philippines, yes.
Hindi.
Dagdag ng
Kasi wala
seconds.
hindi na bounty si Philippines. Corrupt dapat sinabi ko.
Flooded Philippines.
Okay.
Not
So, mga
control.
ganyan. Mga ganon, ha? So, try nyo i-practice. Kasi, practice
Galing
really makes
magsalita.
perfect.
Galing magsalita.
Pwede na, Miss Judy.
Mm.
Polish na lang.
Ang
Polish na lang.
ganda ng diction. Sana all.
Ang ganda ng diction pati. Ang ganda ng diction mo.
Thank
Meron
you.
namang react to clap. O, clap naman dyan.
Clap natin.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Okay. O, di ba? Pag-react sa clap, bakit kayo?
Nag-call center ka po dati, Madam Judy?
Yes po. I've been a
kaya
call
pala.
center agent for like almost 2 years, but
Alat
Okay.
ka po eh.
Kaya pala.
Medyo
Okay? So, magre-reply kayo doon sa introduction ng classmate nyo. Kaya nga sabi ko, isend nyo yung video nyo doon sa Slack. And then your classmate will react. So, that's one way of showing na marunong kayo gumamit ng reaction button. So, as soon as you react, you take a screenshot. Okay? Makikita naman doon kung ano yung reaction mo eh. It will show there. Okay? Makikita naman yung reaction mo doon na nag-like ka, nag-cry ka, nag-love ka, whatever. Okay? Nag-thumbs up ka, nag-checkmark ka. So, just take a screenshot of that. And then, save nyo ulit yung screenshot, send it again later. Then, mag-upload kayo ng file. So, kailangan marunong din kayo mag-upload ng file. 3 points to. So, doon sa ginawa ng classmate ninyo, okay, mag-upload kayo ng doon sa inyong channel, sa inyong channel, mag-upload kayo ng short document. Okay? Either a PDF or document named yung resume ninyo. Kung wala pa kayong resume, edi wow. So, pag mag-a-apply kayo ng resume, dapat meron na kayong CV tsaka resume. Okay? We will go into that later anyway. So, kung wala pa kayo, just upload any MS Word or PDF document na about yourself. Okay? We will fix your CVs and your portfolio later. Then, we can use Canva to do that. Kung hindi pa kayo marunong mag-Canva, gagawin natin. But for now, you have to do it. So, I'm trying to test also how much you know about this application as well. So, pwede kayong pumunta sa canva.com and then, i-click nyo lang yung create. So, syempre, pag sinabi kong go to canva.com, na kayo, magsa-sign up na and everything. I will not tell you now anymore what to click and what to do. Just go and sign up there, make your own account, and then, click on create. Bibigyan na kayo dyan ng templates on how you can do your resume pag wala pa kayo. And choose A4 for portrait kung wala pa kayo niyan. Kung hindi naman kayo marunong gumamit ng Canva, you can always just use MS Word for the meantime. Okay? Yan. So 3 points yan pag-upload ng file. Another one, you're going to, the next task is you're going to, let me just fix the view para at least madali-dali nyo ayan maintindihan. Okay? So pag nagpunta kayo sa Canva, it will show you this interface wherein, okay? Then you can choose the resume, what type of resume you like, A3, A4, etc. Pwede ring resume website. Itong resume website is, it's like, if you want to apply, you don't submit actually your CV, like uploading a document. You just give the link to your resume website. It's like sending a profile of yourself. Okay? Para ka nagsisend ng profile mo dyan ng sarili mo. Okay? Anyway, if you cannot do that, you can use MS Word for now. Okay? Kung hindi nyo pa alam, it's okay. So that's a minus point for you. That means you really have to learn that. Okay? Next, maglalagay kayo ng search and pinning. Paano tong search and pinning? Doon sa Slack search bar ninyo. Ito. Nandyan naman, no? So may option na you go to your private channel and then you take a screenshot of the search result and pin message list. So meron dyan option, pin to channel. Then take a screenshot while you do this para alam ko na nahanap nyo yung button ng pin channel. Yan ang isi-send nyo again later sa akin. You can also send it in your channel. I will go into your channel and look at that. Okay? Then, next task is to set a reminder. Paano mag-set ng reminder dito? So, bale, ibang interface na tayo ha. Dito na tayo communicate. Most of the announcement, I will still do in WhatsApp kasi nandun yung ibang staff namin sa admin. But for the activities, we have to communicate here in Slack. Okay? This is 2 points. You have to set a reminder. So, how to do that? Nandyan naman yung instruction. Sa channel mo, you have to use a built-in reminder command. Merong command dyan, which is already a built-in. All you need to do is to type /remind-va. So, copy-paste nyo na lang to. Okay? Copy-paste nyo lang. And then, isa-submit nyo doon sa submit Slack activity in 30 minutes send. So, ibig sabihin, after 30 minutes, isi-send niya yan. Okay? So, confirm the reminder appears in the channel. So, once you're there, lalagyan mo na lang yan siya ng screenshot para makita ko na alam mo na nahanap mo na yung task na to. Okay? So, next. Okay? Ito siya ha. Kita niyo dyan? Meron siyang remind me about this and customize it. Is it 30 minutes? So, you can customize it and put 30 minutes. So, pag nakita ko na doon sa screenshot, ibig sabihin, alam ko na nahanap mo na tong option. Pag nangapak ka pa at hindi mo nahanap to, ibig sabihin, wala pa. So, it's going to be very difficult pag phone ang gamit. Okay? But try to do your best kung ano lang yung resources muna na meron ngayon. Andyan naman ang instruction. At i-compare mo kung nakita mo na, kung hindi, hanapin natin. Okay? Because I can also help you now na i-share mo yung screen mo. It will be very difficult for me as well and for you as well. That's why nagbigay na lang ako ng step by step. No? Then, here is the reminder screenshot. Ito nakikita mo na sinet ko yung alarm at 1 o'clock. Ibig sabihin, by 1 o'clock kasi dapat tapos na yung klase natin. No? So, it has to be submitted at 1 o'clock. So, yung pagiging techie, sabi ninyo, dito lalabas. Bago nyo i-save, you have to take a screenshot kasi yan din ang i-check ko later. This is, how many points did I put here? 2 points, yung reminder. Ha? Then, we have quick huddle, test call. So, this one is for, how you call this? This is like a video call. Okay? So, kung hindi mag-work, ayos lang. Kasi kung hindi pa kayo nakapag nasa trial pa tayo or whatever, we will do this on. Ang importante lang makita ko na clinic nyo yung button of the huddle at you are aware that there's this kind of option. 2 points to. So, you just click on the huddle button, yung parang headphone, lalabas na yan. Then, you take a screenshot. Ibig sabihin, it's a proof that you already have found this feature. 2 points yan. Next, reflection and submission. 3 points to. So, gagawa kayo ng 50 words reflection in your private channel. Diba, gumawa kayo kanina ng private channel sa unang step. Doon nyo lahat isasubmit, ha? Pwedeng one time lang na message. Pwede rin isa-isa. Staggered kung doon kayo mas komportable. But of course, the more instruction followed, mas mataas yung points. Okay. What you're going to write, what you learned, ano yung mahirap, doon nyo isusulat. Okay? One way, you'll use Slack as a virtual assistant. Yan. So, ang example, ganyan, nagbigay na ako ng example dyan. So, itatype nyo lang doon, #VA task reflection. Okay? Then, itatype nyo, what I learned. I learned new ways to communicate with the team. Okay? Perhaps for a future client. One thing you found difficult, ilagay nyo na kung saan kayo nahirapan. Okay? And one way you'll use Slack as a VA, maybe sasabihin nyo, I might be able to encounter a client who will require me to use Slack, and by the time of opportunity comes, I'm already prepared to do this course. I'm prepared to use this application. O, ilang points to? 3 points. Okay? Madali lang tong reflection. Pupunta lang kayo sa channel nyo, tapos gagawan siya ng hashtag. Importante yung mga hashtag dyan, ha? Kasi doon nyo siya mahahanap. Hashtags are very important here in Slack. Okay? So, permalink or screenshot of the reflection message. Ang permalink is when you use this hashtag. Yung mga permanent link ang tawag doon. Kaya siya tinawag na permalink. Okay? So, ang grading nyo dyan, itong activity is 20 points. Yung profile setup ninyo, 2 points yan. So, paano ko malalaman yan? Pag nakita ko na clinic nyo na yung avatar ninyo, napalitan nyo yung picture nyo. Kasi ngayon, ang nasa profile pictures ninyo, yung iba, walang picture. Yan. So, pag nakita ko na napalitan nyo na, ibig sabihin, okay, namamanage nyo na yung profile. May 2 points na kayo. Okay? Yan. Next, channels created or joined. So, nag-join na kayo, may 1 point na kayo. Ngayon, yung paggawa ninyo ng sarili yung channel is the other point that you will gain. Okay? Nandun naman ang instruction. Susundan nyo na lang. Okay? Then, yung intro message ninyo, format and mention, nandun din na instruction, and so on and so forth. So, nandyan na lahat. Okay? I hope I can help you, but this is a challenge that you have to face. Kailangan po step by step, no? You have to really do it on your own. Okay? You have to do it on your own. And the instructions is already there. Okay? Andyan na, isa-isa na yan. Saan nyo i-click. Dapat ganito lang yung itsura. Siyempre, pangalan ko nakalagay dyan. It should be your face. Yan ang makikita ko dapat sa channel nyo. Now, let's take a look at the channel. Kung ano na nangyayari sa channel natin. Kung meron na ba nag-submit.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Di wow. Okay. Sige. Kaya yan. Doon tayo sa, kaya niya yan kasi nag-start pa naman kayo. Kaya normal lang din naman. So, let's go to, okay. Ayan, may nagawa na channel dito. Can you see here? BA Atienza. Ito yata si Miss Judy or mas ayan, I think si Judy. Right. Ito naman si Mr. Raymond. Okay, nagkakagawa na sila ng channel. So take a screenshot and make sure you have to upload it or send it to me, ha? Okay, so re-replyan ko lang. Ibig sabihin, nagawa nyo na, pero kailangan nyo mag-send ng proof, ha? Sundan nyo lang yung instruction. Okay, sige. Miss Dolly, okay.
Hirap lang po talaga sundan pag sa phone, madam, pero kinakapapa po.
Okay, sige.
Buti pa si Raymond nakakasunod.
Hirap bro.
Hirap.
Step by step po, ma'am, kasi first time to use Slack.
Yes, it's okay.
First time slacks. Very hard.
But
Very hard, oo.
challenging lang po kasi it's first time.
Yeah.
Hindi pa galamay
Okay.
yung
Very
features.
challenging lang.
Yes. Okay. Pagka okay na yan, kaya nga binigyan ko kayo ng activity para ma-navigate nyo yung lahat ng mga importante. So, all you have to do is to follow that steps. So, at least pag na-follow nyo na yan, yung mga basic on that, you'll be able to do. Okay, Miss Judy Ann Atienza. Ang screenshot, wag mong pipicturean yung screen, ha? Use your keyboard to take a screenshot, please. Okay? This is good, but keyboard actions, ha? Keyboard commands. Keyboard controls. Control keys. Level up tayo. Level up. You can do it. Okay. Paano ba mag-screenshot sa iOS? So, Command Shift 4. Tapos piliin mo. Kung sa Android, paano ba mag-screenshot? I think meron namang print screen dyan na button. You can press that one. And then automatically magsisave na yun siya. Katabi siya ng function keys. Okay? Miss Bernadette Abina. Okay? Sige. Okay, may mga channel na dito. Ayan. So, following instructions. Good. Ito na yung mga inaantay ko na mangyari. Ayan. So, kanina, ayan. VA Atienza, VA Bautista. So, following instruction is good. So, balikan natin yung PDF file na sinabi natin. Instruction number 1. O, kailangan ng screenshot nyo. Ganito ha. O, yan. Tapos may status. Dapat may status. So, ito na, o. Tapos, ewan ko bakit hindi nyo nilagay yung first name nyo. Sige. Sige. Okay, anong status na nilagay nyo? Let's see what status have you created. Kailangan natin ng status. Paano maglagay ng status? When you are in your channel, nilagay ko naman yung ano doon, yung way on how to do it. You click on your profile dito sa avatar ninyo sa baba. Okay? Update your status. So, working remotely today. Okay, save. O yan. Pwede nyo na screenshot yun and do it before you submit. Okay? So, whatever you are, be a good one. Di ba? Next. O, bakit is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pa lang ang meron, ha? Si Miss Dolly meron na rin. Okay, so meron na si Miss Atienza, Bautista, Colacion Dolly, tsaka si Miss Ringor. Okay. Make sure you follow instructions, ha? Kasi nilagay nyo VA Atienza. Ang instruction ko, first and last name. Di ba? -1. Pwede nyo pa i-edit. Sige. Si Miss May. Nakita mo na ba, Miss May, yung instructions? Miss Maiden. Sinend ko rin to sa WhatsApp.
Nagkagawa na po. Nag-screenshot lang po.
Ay, okay, good. Sige, carry on.
Sa private kasi.
Huwag nyo i-send sa akin sa WhatsApp, ha? Send nyo
Ay,
sa
hindi po.
Slack. Okay? Doon na tayo sa
Po.
Slack. Kasi yun yung activity natin today. Doon tayo lahat. Sa Slack tayo today lahat, ha? Sige. Edit yun na yan. Judy Atienza, very good. In-update na niya. First name, tapos last name. Di ba? Kita nyo yung instruction ko doon? First name, tapos last name. Ayan, Di ba? So, trinitrain ko kayo na maging very attentive to details kasi that's the most important part of being a VA. Ha? Yan. Professional display. Dapat first, tapos last, yung name. Tapos may title dapat kayo dyan. Okay? VA trainee. Sa akin nakalagay doon, VA instructor. Kayo naman VA trainee. Tapos yung status. Antayin natin yung status. Kagaya ng nilagay ko dyan na example.
Ano ba yung status? Ano ba yung status?
Ano status? Hindi ibig sabihin single, married, ha? Or complicated. Lalagyan nyo yung status nyo dyan. Okay? Ganyan dapat. Set status. Okay? Nandiyan naman, click nyo lang yung set status. Yeah. So, pag pinuntahan ko itong account nyo, for example, okay. So, check ko isa-isa yung channels na ginawa nyo, ha? So, it's like yung account niyo is called channel.
Madam, I have message po sa WhatsApp mo po, please.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, 1 o'clock na pala. Sorry, hindi ko naman na ano. Sige. So, we have to end our class now, guys, because we really are not able to follow the time since we are new to all of this, di ba? So, medyo nahirapan pa tayo na konti.
Yes
But
po.
we can manage
Yes
by
po.
next week, inshallah, matapos na natin, ha? Kasi pasado 1:00 na pala. Thank you for reminding me, Mr. Raymond. Actually, hindi ko na nahalata. Ano na pala. Okay.
It's okay.
So, yeah. Okay, guys.
Lagi.
So, yun na lang for today, ha? I'll see you next week. If you have any questions, please send me a message